You are officially chasing us away. Oh, boo. What's happening, boys? So I'm just celebrating a little bit. I'm sitting here in the shed and I've got all my fifth scales running, which is sometimes it's not always it's not always the case. So I just wanted to go over my cars quickly with you guys. I've done some stuff to it, with stuff to all of them really, and just point out a few little changes I've made, the repairs I've done, and yeah, so I'm pretty stoked. Let's have a look at them and I'll show you what I've done. Right, so here's my little collection, and everything is running 100%. Let's start at the back here. I just got, for the Kraken Badger, I just got this wing over here, which is an FG wing. And it fits directly. There's no modding required. It looks quite good, eh? And it's a little bit wider than your stock HPR Badger 5B wing. So that's pretty cool. This one over here, I just had Rob from IRC send out a complete set of the IRC drives. Yeah, so I'm really happy about that. He has sorted me out big time. I was out a couple of weeks ago and I snapped that cup over there. So thank you very much, Rob IRC, for sorting me out. So the twin is now officially ready to rock and roll again, which I'm pretty happy about. Next up, we've got the RC Max 65. I had an issue with my steering servo the last time I was out. I've got gears on order, but out here in Haas there aren't many places that I've got them, and the place that I have managed to place an order with, they're still a few days out. So what I've done is I've just brazed the gear, and hopefully that gives us another day out. Then over here we've got the Losi 5B, and it just got a new FS clutch. So there's a brand new clutch in there, and that's ready to go. And in case you guys missed it, I managed to sort out my runaway issue where the steering servo was basically the throttle servo was basically staying open, and it turned out that it just needed a new switch and lead from the switch to the receiver replaced, and that worked all right. And then over here we have the little FG, and the other day I lost these little washers that go there. They're kind of like pyramid washers. So I just made a new set and I stuck them in, and that is also ready to go. So the whole fleet is ready to rock and roll, and couldn't come any sooner because my mate Scotty is going to have a new toy to play with. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick look at my cars again, and I hope you're all well, and I hope to see you guys out in the field real soon. Remember to like if you like, don't like if you don't like. and hit that subscribe button. Cheers.